In an unimaginable tragedy, a woman's call for help turned into a deadly encounter with the very people she sought to protect her. Today, we delve into the heart-wrenching case of Sonya Massey, a story that raises profound questions about justice, accountability, and humanity. Stay tuned as we unravel the disturbing details surrounding this case and explore the implications for police conduct and community trust. Background information on the night of July 6th, Sonya Massey, a Black woman living in Springfield, Illinois, found herself in a terrifying situation. Believing someone had broken into her home, she called 911 seeking help. What followed was a tragic and shocking chain of events that left Sonya dead and her family devastated. This incident not only questions the actions of the officers involved, but also highlights serious concerns about police oversight and systemic failures. Main story: Sonya Massey's distress call was met with a series of mishandlings by law enforcement. Despite her clear fear and desperation, the response from the police was anything but reassuring. We'll examine the newly released footage that captures the horrifying moments leading up to Sonya's death, key events when deputies arrived at Sonya's home. Their response was lethargic and unprofessional. After knocking on the door and receiving no immediate answer, Sonya's call went to voicemail. Despite the dispatcher hearing noises and Sonya's plea for help, the deputies did not act swiftly. When Sonya finally opened the door, she was visibly frightened and repeatedly asked not to be hurt. Inside her home, the situation quickly escalated. Sonya, still in a state of panic, was confronted by Officer Sean Grayson. The footage reveals Sonya's plea for help, her confusion, and her eventual attempt to manage a pot of hot water on the stove in action that would tragically lead to her death. Voiceover: Grayson, who had previously been involved in multiple police departments and had 2 DUI convictions, pulled his weapon and fired at Sonya. The officer's body cam was off during this critical period, raising serious questions about the transparency of the incident. What's even more disturbing is Grayson's refusal to render aid to Sonya after she was shot, instead making dismissive and alarming statements about the severity of her injuries. The aftermath of this tragic event has sparked outrage and calls for justice. Sonya's family, represented by attorney Ben Crump, is demanding accountability and transparency. The firing of Officer Grayson and his charges for manslaughter and official misconduct mark a step towards justice. But many questions remain unanswered. Voiceover: As this case unfolds, it is crucial to reflect on the broader implications for police conduct and community trust. Sonya Massey's story is a stark reminder of the urgent need for reform and accountability in law enforcement. What do you think about this tragic incident? Share your thoughts in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated on this and other important stories. Your voice matters in the fight for justice. Thank you for watching. We'll continue to follow this case closely and bring you updates as they become available. Until next time, stay informed and stay engaged.